All right, so we're going to demonstrate how to use the Clean Blast Pro to clean a simplex fiber connector. We'll start with a patch cord. Uh, to do this, we've got our Clean Blast Pro set up, and we also have a benchtop series FVAM microscope that we can use to inspect it both before and after cleaning. Before we begin, let's start off with just running through our cleaning checklist. We've confirmed that the device is stable, it's powered on, we're connected to air. The ready LED light is lit. We have enough solvent in the tank. The cleaning tip that we have is suitable. I'm using the FCLT-U25 tip, but since we're also using this to clean a patch cord, I'm adding the U25MA mating adapter on the end of that. And of course, our handset has already been primed. So we have our profile set to simplex. We've got enough pressure and enough fluid. We're ready to go. Let's start here by taking a look at this patch cord. Let's say that this has come across the assembly line. I'll remove the dust cap and let's check how it is. As you can see on the screen there, the FVAM is showing that it's got some contamination on it. So we'll insert that into the Clean Blast Pro. Give it a clean. And now let's check that again. Now you can see that that's pristine now. And if we were at the final stage of production, we'd want to use our pass-fail analysis to generate a pass-fail test and also a certification report so we can send it to the customer. And that's a summary of showing a cleaning process for a simplex patch cord. Now let's take a look at a simplex bulkhead. All right, now we're ready to demonstrate cleaning the bulkhead side of simplex connectors. And for this one, I'm going to be using a FiberCheck probe microscope to do my inspection. I've got a typical SC bulkhead connector on there. And for my cleaning, I'm using an FCLT-U25 cleaning tip. Let's take a look at this first top row here of connectors. I'll use the FiberCheck probe, and I can see that that one's dirty. That's dirty. I'm going to go ahead and check all 6 of these. That one's dirty. That one's dirty. That one's really dirty. And this one looks pretty dirty as well. Yep, sure enough, it is. So let's take the Clean Blast Pro now and go ahead and clean these ports. All right, so now let's use the FiberCheck probe to check those again and see how they turned out. That's clean, it passes. 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 And that's clean, it passes. And that's just a quick demonstration of how you can use the Clean Blast Pro to clean the bulkhead side of simplex connectors. And so now we've demonstrated cleaning both the patch cords and the bulkhead sides of simplex connectors.